Hi, Tim from Kingdom Sewing Center in Simi Valley here. We're going to talk about the Janome Sewist 721. A lot of people will talk about they can get a cheaper machine out there, so we're just going to touch on some of the brands out there. This is a plastic frame machine. You could probably get at Costco for real cheap, but as I move it you can see that actually the frame flex right there, so I won't dig into too much of that, but there is a difference in quality, and that's what we're going to talk about here today on the Janome Sewist there. This is the machine where I tell people this is where quality starts. We could go up to a $10,000 machine, but this is a real smooth machine. This is where you do the reverse here. So just real nice. I don't know if you could tell the sound there. Taking off when you're finished sewing, you could lift the presser foot, thread cutter on the back, and we're done here. If we look at here, we have, if we're going to sew over an edge of a binding or piping, we can go 5/8 of an inch from the needle plate to the bottom of that foot. That is huge there. So really nice features here we're talking about there. Attachment tray. The tray will come off, so if you want to use it on a pants leg or a shirt sleeve, you have that capability. Sometimes we need to back off on the pressure. So we want pressure when we have fabric falling this way or that way. But sometimes if we're doing more turning, this machine has a pressure foot adjust. Another great feature on this machine here. If you look at where the thread is not sticking straight up. It's at the horizontal, I guess we'll call it there. And we're going to pull on that thread, and you can actually see it if I pull fast, slow, it consistently flows off right there. So that's what we want in a sewing machine, to have the great thread flowing, so we don't have any issues with tensions right there. This is not a lightweight machine, but it's not a heavy machine, but it is the metal frame like we were just talking about that, comparing to the other machine there. 721, the last two numbers are 21 stitches there, so we have great utility stitches, straight stitch, zigzag, multiple zigzag, and blind hemming, but then we can get into our stretch stitches there. Nice buttonhole. It's a 4-step buttonhole there. Built-in handle, and this machine comes with a case, which is pretty rare on a lot of machines out there, under even $500 or even $1,000 there. So that's the Janome Sewist 721. When you buy it from Kingdom Sewing Center, we're going to give you, instead of the standard warranty of 1 year labor and 5 years electronics, we give you 5 years free adjustments. Any issues, any problems, we'll help you out. If you come in with the machine threaded and you have a problem with the fabric, the thread, the needle, again, that's 5 years. We'll help you out. That's why you're buying it from Kingdom Sewing Center there. So if you have any questions, give us a call at Kingdom Sewing Center in Simi Valley, 805-579-1571. Thank you.